Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have some exciting news for all of you who have been waiting for your Google Cloud Arcade swag. The question comes ki how to check your swag's delivery status. So once your swag is shipped, you will receive a confirmation email with the tracking details on your email and on your phone number that you have entered. Once you get a confirmation email or your SMS on your phone number, you just have to visit this site, right? The shiplocker.in, this site, and log in with the same phone number, right? And after that, you will able to see that the order that has been delivered, or it is in transit or to be dispatched, right? You can see what the one of my order has been delivered to me, and one of other is still in the ready to ship state. You can check from here uh, with the tracking ID. It is coming from eCart, and where it is, I can able to see from here that it has started from, I guess, don't know. Yeah, from here you can see, and if you want more details, you can copy the tracking ID, right, and visit the official eCart website of that, because the shipment company is eCart over here, right? So you can copy the tracking ID, visit the eCart official website, and you can track from here that where your order exactly is, right? And you can also log in your delivery app with this URL, right? Enter the same phone number, and you will able to see that the how many orders you have or how many orders that have been shipped, and you can track from here, right? Simple. As you can see, one of my order has been delivered on 20th of March, right? You can see. Yeah, this is how you can check. I thought many of you have been excited and waiting for your swag and do not know that what I have to do. So this is how you can check. And if you hadn't have and if you haven't received any of your swag, don't worry. Swag has been dispatched in batches, and yours will arrive soon. Just keep an eye on your email and tracking updates. So yeah, that's all for this video. I know video has been late. I am busy somewhere in the company. I'll be uploading, and just give me some few more months, then I'll be keep updating videos more and more, right? And yeah, unboxing videos coming soon. Stay tuned on my channel. I'll be unboxing my Google Cloud swags very soon. Make sure you subscribe and you don't miss any update. Drop a comment if you have received your swags, or if you are still waiting. Let's keep hype going. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.